Today I'm preparing homemade beef, unripe plantain and sweet potato veggies for my 6 months old baby. No salt, no preservative, just real food from our kitchen. Here I have bone broth, garlic, ginger, green beans, onions, whole onions, carrots, unripe plantain, sweet potato, bell peppers, and beef. The meat is ready now, so I'll be going in with this. This is bone broth. I didn't use the one in the sachet again because I realized I'll be needing this container to store the food. So there's no point using that one. Let me just make use of this one and then I'll be able to use this container. Here is bone broth. It has melted. Potatoes. Onions. Green beans. See how colorful it is. That is how you know it's packed with vitamins. Sorry, you guys. The owner of the food is already crying. Yeah, the food store in the freezer. When it is time to eat, just warm it up and serve. Homemade baby food doesn't have to be stressful. 30 minutes of cooking equals stress-free meals all week. Save this for later and follow me for more homemade baby food recipes. I need just the guy cannot take a plantain and give myself. He's like, this will not be enough for my son. What is this? Is it bone broth? Yes. Yes.